I want to ask you about medieval empires because you've been working really hard on this game. And I just want everyone to know, like, I've seen you behind the scenes working on this game. You hosted a big party at your place. You were at the Future Blockchain Summit conference promoting the game. I can see you in all your personal time, massive meetings. I can see this entire, map that you're building. You got this incredible Turkish actor, Engin, I think that's his name, who's just a massive celebrity who's working on it with you. Talk to me about medieval empires. I think the token launch is coming up soon. And why have you gotten so excited about a project like this? Because I don't know if you've had a history of gaming, but tell me.
So first of all, his name is Engin Altan, Düzyatan. So yeah, he is a massive celebrity, as you said. And basically, someone connected both of us because we share the common interest of crypto. That's how we got connected to each other, and we instantly became very friendly and friends, and we have a good vibration. And we just thought that let's make sure that we do something together. And long story short, I've been a gamer. When I was a kid, I was playing a lot of different strategic games, and even Need for Speed and Guitar Hero. I love game, like all of us do. Like everyone who grew up in the past, I don't know, couple of decades have been doing gaming, especially us men, right? Like it's like a male-dominated thing, and crypto is also an industry that is growing just like gaming. So, from my point of view, when you have crypto, a very new market going to dominate the world that I've just talked about. And then gaming, which is also a very, very fast growing market. And gaming is actually a market way bigger than movies and way bigger than music, even combined. Gaming is massive in terms of the revenue and the money involved. So it's a huge industry. So when you take those two industries and combine them together, it's really mind-blowing to think how big that new industry is, which I would like to call then crypto gaming. Crypto gaming is going to be massive. It's already starting out. And we only so far saw a few small games, like the first generation crypto games like Axie Infinity and so on. Very, very limited games that are more like a click to earn. It's like small slot machines almost. Like it's very, very basic, and usually it's more like poor people playing it just to make like some minimum wage per day. People don't play it to have fun. So Medieval Empires is a second generation or next generation crypto game, which is a proper game built by professional industry, like gaming professional, like designers and game economists, like people that built proper games, from studios like Zynga, EA, and people that worked with Candy Crush, for example. So we have people with massive experience, and that's important to build a proper, fun to play game. And that's the idea. Basically, bring this game to Engin Altan's fans. He has hundreds of millions of fans. This guy is more famous than Brad Pitt. He's more famous than people that we know in the Western world. He's a global celebrity in like half of the world. So we're talking about like the East and South America and the Middle East. So there are many countries, but unfortunately, like Sweden, maybe US, and Europe in general is not as well known. So it's just same with like Bollywood people. They're only famous in certain areas, but there they have massive, massive, massive reach. So basically, bringing this to his fans, and I'm super excited. And it's based on yeah, it's a crypto game, and I think that's, like I said, the next big thing in crypto, having gaming and crypto merging together like that. So it's really cool. And yeah, like you said, the token launch is on the 21st of December, coming up now in just 3 weeks.
Why launch it now?
Because we have big balls. I think so. Basically, obviously, everyone else is just waiting for a bull market. But at the end of the day, like who knows when that's going to happen? Could be another 2 years. I think that if you really need a bull market to launch, then like why is that the only thing you have? Like we're building a fundamentally very solid game with industry professionals, and like the fundamentals are really, really strong. And when the fundamentals are strong, It's very easy to get investors. I mean, our token raise was very easy to fill. We filled the seed and the private now very quickly, which I don't think other people are doing. It's very hard to raise currently in crypto, but for us it was quite easy because we just show them the work in progress. People can see the world map and our town builder. People can go to Medieval Empires YouTube channel and medievalempires.com, and they can see all these things. And that kind of washes out the doubt. But I have to admit that in crypto, there are many people that just do a lot of talking. And that's why it's important to do more of the showing. And that's what we're doing. And so far it's going very well. And yeah, it's a bear market, but I think launching in a bear market and a bull market has pros and cons. If you launch in a bull market, yeah, you get investors very easily, but the chart is most likely going to go down after, and it's just not going to look nice. It's going to lead to people investing at the top and it goes down. Launching in a bear market is actually, better for the investors because they get a lower valuation, and you get a very good price to hopefully get some better returns in the bull market. So pros and cons. For the project itself, it is probably better to launch the bull market. It is like that because it's just the money and the users and the players. Like, it would be easier to get people. But it's not going to stop us from launching something that we find very fundamentally very solid, that we have a lot of passion for building. So I don't want any bear markets to let us stop us.
I'm looking for partners, collaborators, colleagues who want to join forces with me around the globe and create real value, generational wealth, and financial freedom for everyone else around the world. Get involved in the cryptocurrency markets, get involved in the NFT markets. This is your moment. Life all comes down to a few moments. Don't let this pass. Now it's not too late. Next year's going to be too late. Ultimately, this is about freedom. That's the way I see it. This is about giving power back to the people and enabling billions of people worldwide to use the financial markets to improve their lives and those of their friends and their families and their communities. Honestly, I think it's a violation of human rights not to allow people basic access to financial services. Because right now people are being kept in the dark, they're being robbed of education, and it's a travesty. And so I'm looking for people that want to join me and be a part of this solution. And that all happens inside the DeFi Academy. The gains my students are making are absolutely amazing. Double, triple digit gains in the first month alone. That's amazing. This will change your life. Now is the time to get involved. I'm gonna tell you exactly how my students in my academy made money in the last 30 days. I'm talking about real trading results. And let me just whet your appetite a little bit. Let me hit you with some numbers. I'm talking Brendan from New Zealand is up 68.77% on the month. Steve from Europe up 83%. Albert in Singapore up 169.9% on one single trade. I got Susan up 153% on her call options alone, also rocking 139% returns and 442% returns as well on individual trades. These are people that are changing their financial future in the last 30 days, but it's based on trading discipline.
I've graduated over 500 students from inside my academy from over 54 countries around the world. It's amazing. When it comes to crypto, DeFi, and blockchain, we love this space. We truly believe it's the future. This is down to our core. It's authentic to what we're doing, and everybody can tell through the camera because you can't make this stuff up.
If you're watching me now, wherever you are, I implore you, take 60 seconds right now and join my academy. Apply today. Now you've got a chance. Life all comes down to a few moments. What are you gonna do? What's the choice that you're going to make?